Jeans are for Jersey.
Jeans are for Jersey. Yeah, we gotta
we look
get
like
you guys.
assholes with flip flops. It was fucking freezing.
All right, I've never done this
Those are
before.
so dumb. I was
I've
like,
never done this in my life.
You got it.
No, you got it. You got that shit. Just don't pop a window.
I'm gonna break a nail.
Don't pop a window.
Now, do I do it after I do
No, wait, no.
Yeah,
take this off.
take that off.
And then you should use a towel. It's easier. Just twist it off.
Just
Now just
push.
twist the top.
You can push it up with your thumb if you want to make the big pop.
push it up and twist?
It's easier if you push and twist.
Okay.
Don't hurt yourself.
I've never opened one.
Oh God. Oh Jesus.
You got it. There you go.
I knew that was gonna happen. Oh shit.
What you know about it?
Oh shit.
All right.
Wait, I like your hair. It looks auburnish.
Yes, thank you.
It doesn't look that red. It looks red in the sun. I like it.
Here, let's line them up on
You
here so
like
we can.
it?
Thank you. I love your hair, Jen.
Is that nice too?
And
Auburnish.
it's kind of lightened up. Yeah, I like it.
Likey.
She's like, wait, which ones are your friends? I was like, okay, Jen's got dark hair and Brittany's just straight up blonde.
Yeah,
Like, you don't even,
okay.
that's all it is.
She
It's
dyed
not
her
even
brown
like
for like
strawberry
24
brown.
I did brown
It's
once and
not-
I was very depressed.
It's
24
just
hours, I
blonde.
I was depressed. I was. Wasn't me.
Yeah, she
personality.
said she'll never do it again.
Nope.
Her parents
No,
even made
Plus-
fun of her.
plus her mom
Yeah, my mom
was
said I was
"That
ugly.
looks awful."
I was like, Mom, you can't tell your daughter she's ugly. That's fucked up. Like, for real. I was like depressed.
Isn't that like a law?
Yeah, it should
against
be.
that?
It should be. Let's put it that way. I was like, wow. Thanks for that.
Everybody's like, oh God, 3 Jersey girls.
Yeah, watch out.
Yes.
Everybody's waiting for it.
We're real hood.
Triple triple.
Okay. All right.
Thanks to bitches.
From Woodford Work
Toasting.
Show.
What up? Thank you.
There you go.
Ooh, and it's
Wait, one of them has
cold.
stuff in it. That's gross. So I want.
Like what?
Is that okay? Okay.
fine.
I was gonna take
It's
that
fine.
one.
We're in Florida.
Okay.
We
Cheers.
drink forks in Jersey. Holla.
Holla.
The Jersey girls.
Jersey
Yes,
girl.
Jersey girl.
Ow!
Oh, and we gotta teach you our cheers later.
Oh, cheers.
Right now.
What's
It's the family cheers.
Okay, what is it?
It's
If you meet a family member, they will cheers you like this wherever
Okay.
we are. So you go top,
Top.
bottom, bottom, top. So do it with Jen.
So
Top, bottom, bottom, top. No matter what
Ow,
it is,
ow.
what it is, whatever.
I like it. Very simple and to the point.
That's right. It's mainly the boys that. Hi Mel, thanks for coming. Pick
No
the Jersey
problem.
girls
Oh my God,
up.
is this a video?
Yeah, dude, we've been taping the whole time.
I did not know that. I thought we were just taking a lot of pictures. What are we doing here? So excited.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.